Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this natural soft cut crease, and I am going to keep it very minimum and it's probably going to be fast. I am very nervous. It is my first video, well, makeup video, because I've done DIYs before, so just keep on watching and you will see how I achieved this. Okay, so I thought I was filming, but I actually didn't have no more space available, so I decided to just delete everything and start fresh. So I did do my eyebrows, I cleaned them up a bit, and I also applied Hooter from the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is a third color down, so this color right here. I applied it as my transition, and now I am going to go in with this shade right here, Mocha. I'm going in with Mocha, and I am going to go in with a tapered brush, and I'm going in with a flat tapered brush, and this one is the M433 from Morphe. And I am going to look a little down so I can do this. Tap off the excess, and you want to pat the shade in little by little. It's always easier to build up than to try to get it off. I only want this color to be on the outer edge of my lid, so I am not going all the way in, just right here in this little area. Now I am going in to blend the shade in a little. You want to raise your eyebrow so you don't get like little veiny creases. I have very wrinkly lids, so that happens to me all the time, so I have to do this. And I'm going in little circular windshield wiper motions. Perfect. Not too dark, because again, we want a natural look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and I'll be back. Okay, all done. And if you get some down here, don't worry, after when you do your concealer and foundation, you'll be able to clean it all up. And now what I'm going to do is, I do not want this look to be extremely simple, so I'm gonna do a soft half crease, and I am going to be using the same concealer I used to outline my eyebrows and to prime my whole eyelid. Okay, I'm going to be using this Makeup Forever Full Coverage Concealer in the shade 5. And I am going to take in a Morphe M224. This one's dirty, let me get another one. So I'm gonna put some of this concealer in a little palette thing. Since this brush is a little bit bigger than the one I usually use, I am going to look down and start patting my lid. I know many people apply it first down here and then look up, but I'm not going to do that. And right here, to blend this out, I like to use my finger. I feel like that blends it better than the brush. The brush sometimes gets more on the eyeshadow. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna do the other one and I'll be right back. Okay, so it's all done. Now what I want to do is I want to set it with like a skin tone color. But sadly, I do not have one in this palette, so I'm going to look to see what I have in another palette. Perfect. I'm gonna use this white right here from the James Charles palette. And I'm gonna use a flat brush, M124, very fat brush. And I'm going to set. Careful when you go up that line. Bring it down a little this way, like if you're just to blend in with the other shadow. I am going to add in that mocha shade again, just to the outer corners again, just to bring it back to life. I feel like sometimes when we use other shades or we're moving around there, the shade tends to wash out a little bit. Right here, I'm gonna do this a little bit, just so they can mesh together. And then I'm gonna go back again with that white shade just to blend it again. Okay, so that is done. I am going to do my brow highlight and my inner corner highlight once I do my full face. Okay, so now for eyeliner, I am going with my Kat Von D tattoo liner. Okay. So I always struggle with this because I have little warts, eye warts. I'm sure you guys can see this one right here. Well, I have one like right here, so I'm always trying to do like a very thin liner, but it just doesn't work out for me. So you guys will see how long it takes me. Very thin, just lining the top lash line. And here we are taking this up. Okay, how's that? I also have another little wart right here, so my eyeliner right there isn't always as perfect, but I try my best. And there. I'm going to do the other one off camera and also do my lashes. I'm gonna put mascara first and then my eyelashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. I applied my lashes, obviously. I put mascara. What I did not mention before is that I had put my Ole Henriksen Banana Bright eye cream, and I had also put some agave lip mask, but it actually came off. When I started doing the video, it was before I had to leave to pick up my daughter. So I went there, came back, fed her. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do this fast because I do not have memory on my phone, and I do not want to, you guys like my earrings? I do not want to start right now deleting the pictures. It's gonna take me forever. I have over 2,000 pictures, I think. So I am going to prime my face using the Banana Bright primer. I'm gonna put this on. I like this primer. It really brightens my face. And for foundation, I am going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Nude. And I am going to go in with the brush. I usually go in with the sponge, but I do feel it's faster with the brush. Don't forget to bring it down a bit to your neck. I was very close up to the camera, so I look extremely white, but once I'm back, it's okay. Kind of. Okay, so I'm gonna do my concealer now, and I am using the NARS in Custard. I like to get the little creases of my nose. And I am going in with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe JH08 small little kabuki brush. So I'm trying to get very close to my eyeliner. So I'm going to use a flatter brush to do that. And now I am going to set my face. And I use the Chanel loose powder in shade Neutral 30. And I am going to go in with the little sponge it comes with. Pat the X's, and I'm also going to set my under eyes with that. I do that sometimes when I'm in a hurry. So this makeup, not only is it neutral, but it's a easy everyday look. If you like cut creases, of course. But it's soft, so there's that. My double chin. Okay. Awesome. So I'm going to bronze my face now with the Hoola bronzer. And I am going to use another Morphe X Jaclyn Hill brush, the JH02. Add some color to our face. The jawline, don't forget. I am not really a blush girl, so I always tend to use the same blushes over and over again. And right now I'm going to use the NARS blush in Orgasm, and I'm using the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH04. And I always go a little heavy-handed with this because your blush is the first thing to wash out of your face. Believe it or not, you're constantly touching your face, whether you're conscious about it or not. Ooh la la, sorry. Look, it's coming together. But for some reason, I look like a clown. It might be the light. Give me 1 second. Let me turn on the light here in my kitchen because I feel like the ring light is making me look brighter than I should be. Still bright, but okay. For highlight, we're gonna use the Dose of Colors X Eyelid Sade E in Sol Mate. Okay, there's that. And I do my bottom lash. I usually do my bottom lash last. So I am smoking my bottom lash, and I started with the Morphe E36 brush. And I am just applying that all over my bottom. I am using a bigger, fluffier brush, like the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH38. And I am not sure if I even said, I used Mocha to smoke up my bottom lash, and I am going in with that shade Puder again and blend it out. How's that? My hair, right? Glamorous. And now we're gonna do that brow highlight and inner corner highlight, and I'm gonna go in with the same Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm using the shade Obsessed, and I'm using the Morphe M213. I feel like this, just doing that, adds up to the look. And I am also going to add gel to my eyebrows, the e.l.f. brow gel. Now we're going to do those bottom lashes. Of course, I'm going to use the Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. Let me use the mirror, not the camera. Hey! Just wanted to come in here and tell you guys that I am wearing the ColourPop Fuego Liquid Matte Lipstick. I just wanted to let you guys know that I am really grateful if you guys watched this video. So until next time, because there will be a next time.